The Elikliv EM4K-AF Digital Microscope stands out with true 4K ultra-high-definition video and very high-resolution still images that make tiny solder joints, coin details, and component markings look remarkably crisp. Its autofocus system, driven by a time-of-flight distance sensor, locks onto subjects quickly and keeps them sharp even when you move the board or coin under the lens, which cuts down on constant manual refocusing. The large 10.1-inch in-plane switching display offers wide viewing angles and accurate color, so you can comfortably inspect fine details without having to hunch over a tiny eyepiece. A flexible cantilever arm that rotates and folds in multiple directions makes it easy to position the microscope over larger circuit boards or awkward objects while still saving space on a crowded workbench. Between the bright ring illumination, the included heat-resistant soldering mat with organized compartments, and the option to output to a computer or external monitor, this setup feels like a complete workstation for electronics repair and hobby use. The built-in rechargeable battery and support for on-device storage mean you can capture high-quality images and video in the field or away from an outlet, which is especially handy for mobile inspections and coin hunting trips.